start playing some more Dishonored, so I finally remembered to start the timer. So let's continue with our place. So we were at the Golden Cat, and we haven't killed the penitents, have we? We were having some trouble, if I could remember, last episode. So, put my, actually, I don't have anything gaming-wise on. Maybe next time I need to put my Minecraft shirt on or something. Oh, okay. Well, that's one way to deal with that. So I'm pretty much stuck. So we're just gonna load the game from a different place. Didn't we already do that? I thought we already did that. Could be wrong. Doing this. Okay, let's do this.
Attention Dunwall citizens.
A little bit of lag there.
Due to criminal activity near
So we're gonna
Holder
have to
Square,
take out everybody
the
in our
area is
path.
now under lockdown. Watchtowers and support patrols have been deployed.
Starting with this guy.
Hostile with
We
malicious
got shadow
intent.
kill, so he automatically gets, you know. Wait, he sees me? Just here. You can still see me. Oh, hello. Did you see me through underneath the tracks?
Huh?
You don't see me. Oh god, this is
Help! Watch it! Bastard!
okay. So I'm glad that's over with. So we've taken out those guys, so let's go take out these guys now. Which I don't have no
How does it
clue
work? What? The wall
how
of
this is
light?
gonna work.
Isn't it a wonder? It's one of Sokolov's greatest inventions. They say the idea
More
came
mana,
to
we
him
can
in a
summon
vision.
the Bowery
Yes.
Storm, unfortunately.
Yes, but do you know how it works?
No.
I really couldn't say.
So if I
But
kill
all the
this
hairs
guy,
on your
this guy's
body
talking
stand up
to
when you
him.
walk through it.
So
Keep your
obviously
men
he
from
would
tampering
see it.
with
I
it.
don't see it. I don't know how they don't see me right now anyways. Oh. Let me, how's my volume? So, I know, let me just do this real quick. Let me say this. I've even seen it, showed it in videos, but you might not be able to see it. I turned down my volume to like 4%, and I'm pretty sure I have this game volume turned down a little bit, and it's always way too loud, because Terraria, it was way too loud. Can I maybe move that? So we're just gonna put it on 40, and hopefully we can turn that up a little bit, but it's just every single time it's too loud or something. Something always messes up in my videos. Oh no, you stupid guy, get out of here. I'm teleporting out of here. Okay, time to, you know. Okay, that hurts if you don't know. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that really hurts. It does. Well, you know. No, that's not it. It's this one, right? So yeah, that was messed up. Okay. So it looks like that guy wraps around, and we should be able to take him out there. Okay. So we're gonna have a little bit of lag. Oh, oh, that. Oh, okay, we fall anyways. Thought I was gonna fall all the way and die. Go on. Okay, so let's take care of these guys. Did I alert the whole horde or something? Oh, there's 3 of them. That's just cool. 3 against 1. Okay, I didn't block that because I suck. Die! Right through the head. Oh, we don't have any more healing potions. Oh, there is one over here, though. That's gonna be a pain to get. Okay, so this guy should wrap around. Guess we could, you know, do that. Go to sleep, child. That worked out a lot better than I wanted it to. Oh. Oh, okay, you're here? That's okay. Oh, shoot. I missed. No! Oh god, we done goofed. 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 Okay, maybe I can snipe him with this one cross bolt. Oh, I had lost them. And now they're after me. Okay, I don't have any more crossbow bolts. And there's no way to aim that far with this. There's literally no way. Oh, I hit him. That is amazing. Okay, so we really got ourselves something in here. Oh, shoot. Back up, bro. Did you like that dodge? Where's the last guy? There he is. Look, look, look. Maybe just snipe him. I think I missed. Okay, where's the... What happened to the... Am I out of bullets or something? What happened to the, you know... Oh, I'm out of bullets. Okay. That kind of sucks. So we have, like, no health, no mana. Oh, look, 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 look. It's a beautiful health potion. Take that. I'm coming back. Wait, there's a Weeper? Where did you come from? Where on earth did you come from? Can I, like, throw a Weeper body on him and he'd, like, scream? That'd be awesome. Hey, bro. Do I have any rewiling? Oh, I don't have any. Okay, so this is how I deal with people like this. Oh, that was nice. Okay, we're gonna use that. Okay, I think there's a thingy. Is there yet? No, okay, good. So we have an extra health potion. Anybody following us? No. Okay, good. Okay, I'm glad that's finally over with, because that was a pain. Sorry, I'm like burping. Oh, you know what? I didn't bring a drink in here. It's fine. Okay, so let's save here. And somehow deal with all these people. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Might have to do some of this. No one saw that? That's nice. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. Is she touching his face? Shh. Oh, we done goofed. Boom! I just like went right through him. Oh shoot! There's a lot more than I thought there was. Is there only 2? Oh, I can take out these guys. I'm just like mashing the button. Oh, get him. They can feast on his flesh. I don't care. Okay, how you doing? You scared? You're fine. I would let you go to sleep, but I think you're not tired. Okay, are there any guards? There's a lady. Best way to go is up to that balcony, so let me try to find a way up there. Can I teleport? No, I can't. Okay, let's just climb. Wait, what? What took damage? What took damage? How much money? 5,000 coins. Were those things killing me? I think they do kill you, actually. Come on. Okay, let's just YOLO T-Spike. Ow, those things hurt. We're just gonna teleport for the door. No one saw that? Okay. Very sneaky. Very sneaky. Be the most stealth you can ever have. Let's get that. Let's read every single thing we can. Being very sneaky. So there's a guy. There's a girl. So let's just skip that. Cause screw that. Pretty sure, isn't Emily at the very top? I'm almost positive she's up here. But I don't want to open that until I kill the Pendletons. Cause, you know, that'd be kind of awkward. Hey, Emily, just give me a second. I just gotta go kill some people. Be right back. You don't see crap. Okay, this is awkward. Just no one look. Wait, his body didn't disappear. He saw me. Just throw him down the stairs. No one will see it. Promise me. Okay, this is where it gets tough with stealth. So, just teleport up there maybe. Shutter close. I can open and close it. So let me just figure this out real quick. How I'm gonna do this. Okay, it would be really nice if I could get out, maybe. Like, how do I get out? I guess I could teleport out, no? Okay, yeah, I can. Teleport! Okay, let's look at this. Let's get down. Shh, go to sleep. It's all good. Okay, oh, looks like it's time to end the episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. My name is DemRox567, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.